Hi.
Ano lang?
Hi.
Alright! Let's do the close step, guys, everybody! Come on, everybody! Woo-hoo! Alright!
Dili ba express sa kalipay ay sabihan nga maulanon pero hindi mapunggan ang ulan sa ako nga pagigugma.
Thank you so much. And of course, for Ma'am Shaira, anong feeling mo sa mga kasal ka na kay Sir Sam?
So happy gid. Isang gabi na binagyo, pero ang gugma ko sa iya hindi gid malingkang.
Well, let's continue the enjoyment.
Baby, I do. Thank you so much.
In weddings, parents dance is like this beautiful number, ladies and gentlemen, deserve really a big round of applause once again. Thank you so much. There you go. Well. So available, baka mga small envelope. Kay si Mama Butang sa Camilio. There you go. Ma'am Shaira, pwede ka na i-Gcash lang, Ma'am.
Gcash lang. Mga transfer.
Kasi may small envelope pa kapag guys. Ikaw ka pa kita. Thank you very much.
Anong Gcash number ka na? Gcash number. I-post ang Gcash number.
I love love to see all of you smiling this afternoon, enjoying the moment with Shara and Sam.
Nakaligay kayo pa sa Edwin.
Thank you so much. Your time and patience is really appreciated today, ladies and gentlemen. Couples' love and commitment to one another. And it's a public display that they are willing to share everything, including their food and drinks, for the rest of their lives. There you go. Okay. And I would love to invite you to the center. And it's time for you to share the cake. The icing is the sweetest part that's symbolizing the sweetness of our newlywed couple. There we go. There you go for Shara, and we have Sam. There you go. Thank you very much. Sam and Shara, do the sweet kiss now. And go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, tang to tang, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much, Sam and Shara. Well, ladies and gentlemen, a wine ceremony is a symbolic ritual which can be done in various ways. It represents the coming together of two people or two families. It also represents the good and bad times to be faced together. As the saying goes, wine, the longer it stays, the better it tastes. Well, we will be witnessing the toasting of wine of our newlywed.
Cross arms.
Here we go. There you go. Well,
Bottoms up.
let's give a big round of applause and seal it with a sweet kiss. Sam and Shara one more time.
Yes.
There you go.
Hindi kita perfect na tao. Tanan kita imperfect na tao. Pero kung ibutang nato ang Diyos nga center sa tunga sa sinang relasyon, mangin perfect. Kabay pa, ang Diyos amo ang magadihon kung may aragin nagasunggudanay ka mo, ang Diyos ang magatandog sa inyong kasing-kasing. Magbalik ka mo sa vow nga ginhambal nyo kagina no, nga mag-serve, magpalangga asa sa katapusan sa inyong kabuhi. No, ikaduha no, nga ibili na kon sa inyong atunga sa inyong aduha, ilabi na gid kay Sam amo ang palangga ay mga asawa nga grabe nga pagpasensya. No, mga babae, grabe ang emotions. Pero intindihan sila. Kag ang pinaka-the best na weapon, agad nga ma-maintain ang integrity amo ang love. So palanggaagid ang imong asawa, respetuha ang imong asawa bilang isa ka malahalon nga klase sang bagay. Kag ang ikatatlo ay bilin ko sa imo gadya Pastor Sam. Kilala ta ka, no? Ang masugid ko subong, no? Di na kapagpakahuyaan. Pero kilala ta ka kung ano ka nga klase ng tao. Kilala. Kung gusto mo to, no? Ng Shaira, ako makuton mo. Nang i-control mo ang imo anger. Kabalo ko mo ng imo weakness sa kabuhi. So, i-control mo na at hindi gid pagpatuki ang imo asawa. Maluoy ka. No? Hindi gid pagpatuki. No? Palanggaan sila. Palanggaan siya inyong mga kabataan sa bukos mo gid nga kabuhi. Kakikasarang. Ang wala na mabilin ko, salamat ngayong hapon sa atong itanan.
Congrats, Nam Sam. Hi, good evening everyone. I'm Trisha May, and I'm honored standing here as a maid of honor. For the sexy lady and the special woman, Mancha. This is a bittersweet moment for me because I'm so happy for you, Nangsha. And I know your life will change after today. I have to say, you guys is like a Tom and Jerry. You're always fighting over a small matter. Ginatawag nga LQ. Ay, praaway sila ni Mona. I remember the day that you told me that you have met someone special. And I know you could stop talking about how amazing he was. When you met Nong Sam, I already knew he was the one for you.
Wow.
He is kind, he is caring, and mostly love you unconditionally now. Nangsha and I have shared countless memories together. From spontaneous talks about Nong Sam, like...
And teachers of Ma'am Shaira from Barosong National High School, right? Yes. Sir, photographer, sige. After this, tagatan ng teacher.